Let me show you one of the easiest ways that you can take in bookings right now without having to build a dedicated booking website. This is great for hotels and vacational rentals. It's called BNBforms. The reason this is easy to use is because you're going to build this on BNBforms and you can embed this on any website that you want. Even if you are using WordPress, Wix, Webflow, or whatever you're using, just go ahead and embed the form and take in bookings. That means that you don't have to spend hours or days building a dedicated website to take in bookings. Now you can build something like this really easily to take in bookings right now. So this is a quick example of BNBforms, and I'm gonna show you how to build this really easily. I can set the check-in date and check-out. I can also do it through the accommodation. So I can view what I'm going to rent, select the dates. In this case, this is the time frame that I want to rent. The reservation form, so the check-in date and check-out date. This is what it's going to cost me. Confirm reservation, the amount of adults, in this case 2, children 1, the guest name, it's going to be my name, choose my rate, good to go. Some add-ons to make some extra money. Coupon, if you want to offer this, the price breakdown for the accommodation, the information for my details here, and go ahead and pay on arrival, direct bank transfer, or set up PayPal or something like that and book right now. Building something like this is super easy. Now you can add this to any website that you want by going into widget and using the code that you can paste. Just go ahead and use the script and you'll have this booking system on any website that you want that allows HTML embedding. Now this is the dashboard where we can go through the setup process through the icons right here or going in through each one of the sections over here. So first thing I would do is, for example, set the accommodations, and I got the accommodation types right here where I can set up. In this case, here's a demo one. Let me go ahead and edit this right now, right here. You can set the details right here, the title for this one, the amenities that this one has, the accommodation details here for total accommodations. I only have one. I can set up more. The active accommodations, linked accommodations, the capacity for this room, you can set up the maximum right here. So it's a big room, 7 people, or maybe just 2. Just go ahead and set that up right here. And the total capacity for this one, the base adults occupancy, the size of this accommodation, the available services for this ones that they can add on to make that extra money, and the images that you can set up here, the photo gallery and the featured image. So it's super easy to add accommodations right here. Just go ahead and add a brand new one by clicking add accommodation type. Then you got your categories that you want to set beforehand, the amenities that you can set up here, attributes, seasons. So if you want to set up seasons for different type of pricings, that is possible through here. The rates for the accommodations, the services that you want to offer for the extra money that you want to make, the accommodation, general accommodations, and the settings for the accommodation section. So I got my page settings, my booking confirmation settings, my booking cancellation, accounts, search options, currency, and miscellaneous, all available right here. Disable bookings, display options, and just a ton of options that you can check right here. That's really gonna be customized to your own needs. So you got your admin details here, customer emails, email settings, the payment gateways. So as of this video, they have these available payment gateways. If you're just running tests, go ahead and use test payment. Set this up and enable it. You got pay on arrival, bank transfer, PayPal, to checkout, Stripe, Braintree, and Beans Stream, and Bambora. So all those available payment gateways right here. Then you got extensions. Then you have a list of your media. View all your media that you've uploaded for your accommodations straight from here. You can add new media from here and then just use it when you're creating accommodations. Maybe quicker doing it this way than doing it individually. It's up to you. The view of all your pages that you've created, and the look of the actual form. So you can set the look of the actual style of the form. So in colors, I can set up, for example, the button. Maybe blue is not what I'm using for the branding of my website or my hotel. Just go ahead and change it right here. Maybe I want to be a little bit more serious. Change it to black, and the hover over a little bit, I don't know, brownish. So it changes. You can see here, we see a live update of the changes, and that's for the buttons. You can change the page header here. So if you want to change that here, go ahead and change it really easily by just modifying the colors right here. Same thing goes for the accommodation details, the calendar, the checkout, and set up all the colors right here. You also have additional CSS settings here. So if you want to highly customize the form, you have the option to use CSS. In this case, I'm not going to save anything because this is just for testing purposes. Then we have our users. You can add new users straight from here. So for example, a hotel customer, a worker, a manager, etc. set up straight from here. Then we got tools for the head and footer code. So you can add code into the actual form to make it even more robust in case you want to do that there. then you got your general settings right here. So we can set up straight from here our reading settings and the text replacement. Now, if you want to view your bookings, you can do it through the dashboard, going to the calendar icon right here, or by going into bookings in the bookings option here and going into calendar 2. You'll be able to view all the list of bookings available straight from here. Now, if you want to view your customers, you can view customers over here really easily. If you want to create a coupons, just go to the coupons section. For the booking rules, you can set them up right here. For example, the check-in dates, checkout dates, the minimum stays. So for example, I don't know, minimum is 3 days or 5 days, etc. Just go ahead and set it up right here. Block accommodations. For example, if you want to block for Christmas, New Year's, etc., you can do so right here. You got your tax and fees details, sync calendars. So you can sync your calendar straight from here, and you can view your reports and export reports straight from here. So it's super easy to start taking in bookings right now for your hotels or vacational rentals without having to build a dedicated website. So avoid all that hassle of going through that process of taking days to have a booking site when you can get started right now with BNB Forms. So check it out. You can right now sign up for a 1-month free trial so you can set up everything, test it out, and if you like it, go ahead and start using this service. So what are you waiting for? Test it out, and that's a wrap for BNB Forms.